How's it going, YouTube? I've just done something I thought I'd show you guys. I don't know if you're interested, but we'll have a quick look, see if it helps anybody out. As you can see, the van's changed a little bit here, so I need to do a bit of an update video for you guys and show you everything that I've changed on it and done different. It's a bit of a mess in here because I've been drilling holes, but what I've done is I've moved these USB sockets here up to the top, and I've fitted a 12-volt socket there so I can plug in this. This is a little USB-C charger for my Macbook. Let's have a look at it, shall we? I think actually before we do, I'm going to tidy up all this and get my table out, and then we'll have a proper look. Just got a couple of other jobs to finish first, and I'll get tidied up and I'll catch you back here in a minute, shall I? A great little toolkit this. I always keep this in the van. You never know when you might need it. This lives here in the back. Something else I couldn't do without, a 12-volt soldering iron by Milwaukee. This is great, this. It warms up in seconds. I couldn't do without this for when you're doing a bit of soldering out on the go. Perfect. There we are, all done, nice and clean. Right, let's get set up and have a look at this charger, shall we? Right then, so let's have a look what we've done. I had these two USB sockets there. I had those fitted there. The reason I wanted to move those anyway is because the bed here, when I'm in bed and you've got your plugs plugged in for your phone and what have you, you knock them with your feet, and I've already broken one of those. That's the second one now. So I wanted to move that up there anyway, so I can plug my phone in on the side and it's not getting in the way of anything. But that, along with some other things I've changed on this camper, I will talk about in another video. I want to do like a 3 years later sort of video of all the changes and things that I've done and the things that I've learned since I built this. But anyway, I digress. What I did was I replaced that one with a 12-volt socket, and then I can plug in a normal cigarette lighter type socket, I suppose. I've recently upgraded my MacBook Pro to the newer M1 MacBook, which I've got there. This one's got the USB-C on the side, and I wanted to be able to do a bit of editing on the go if I ever needed to, so a charger for this was essential. Anybody that knows these new MacBooks, they're quite power hungry, so we needed a decent sized charger. So the one I've got was a 90 watt. Let's have a look what it is. Right, so there it is. I've put it back in the box so you guys can see. It's a PWR Plus DC charger. I got this off of Amazon. I paid $47.99 for this. I've got this one because it's a 90 watt version and it's plenty big enough for the M1 Pro. Let's open it up and have a look. I've already had this open, but I've packed it away so you can just see how it comes. So in the box, we get the charger itself. A 12-volt socket on one end, USB-C on the other end, and a user manual. If we look on the back of it, we can see it's maximum 90 watt output. Input, it needs a 12-volt 10 amp, and its output is 90 watts. And apart from that, there's not a lot to say. It's got a little LED in the corner that lights up when you plug it in, but apart from that, it's a charger. And that's it. So let's plug it in. This is a CBE socket, and it does actually say 6 amp on it, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll feel it, see if it's getting warm at any point. But it literally, we'll plug it in. You can't really see it, but it's got a little blue LED lit up to show it's powered up. It's got the nice cable tidy on it with a Velcro, so we can unwrap it. Plenty of cable on it. Let's plug it in. As you can see, straight away it's come up charging. Perfect. But there we are, super quick, nothing much to say because it's just a charger. But we've got charging on the go now for the M1 MacBook Pro. I know it's not super exciting or anything, but I was doing it anyway, and if it helps one person out, then it's done its thing, hasn't it? So I will get round to doing another video on this van soon, and I'll have a bit of an update with you guys and show you what changes we've made. If you've not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.